Hi, I'm Jolene Dalton from Dalton Physical Therapy, and I'm here to give you a few tips on some self-massage techniques that you can use at home. Find yourself a couple stray tennis balls around the house, or lacrosse balls will do too, and place them inside a sock and snug them up with a little twisty tie or a rubber band or a ribbon, and put them against the wall and lean yourself between the ball and the wall. Shoulder blades area, the balls are straddling my spine. One's on each side. I'm going to walk my feet out just a little bit so I can put a little lean into the wall. Arms are across the chest or wherever they're comfortable, doesn't matter. And just take a little knee bend and roll up and down and let the ball massage those muscles between the shoulder blades. If you got a known spot, go ahead and zero in on that spot. Let's say, for example, I have one on the right side. I can even take the balls vertically, place it on that right side between the wall and myself, and get my shoulder blade out of the way and wiggle a little bit back and forth this way. All right, work all the way up your spine and release those knots where they're at. If you need any more information, please call 1-844-DALTON and consult with a physical therapist.